To swap cryptocurrencies on your Trust wallet, start by opening the app on your mobile device and logging into your account. You will be prompted to enter your passcode, which will take you to the official homepage. On the right side of the screen, you'll see the Swap option. Tap on it to proceed. This will take you to a page where you can choose the cryptocurrency you want to swap from. For example, if you want to convert Ethereum to Bitcoin, select Ethereum under the You Pay section and then choose Bitcoin under the You Get section. You can search for Bitcoin, and once selected, the option will show Ethereum to Bitcoin, allowing you to transfer your Ethereum to Bitcoin. If you want to do the reverse, simply tap on the two arrows to switch the currencies. Next, enter the amount you want to send, for instance, 0.002 Bitcoin, and the app will automatically calculate how much you will get in Ethereum. You also have the option to choose from a variety of different cryptocurrencies and convert them to any other available currency. That's the basic process for swapping one cryptocurrency for another on Trust Wallet.